Hello, witch folk. Welcome to our coven.
We're angels on broomsticks. We're a mother-daughter duo.
And we love the makeup.
I'm Kristin.
And I'm Evangeline. Today we're going to be doing a full face of lunaroots, which is a brand that has small batch, sustainably made products, specifically made with local, organic, and ethically harvested ingredients, which is so amazing. I've used lunaroots products for over a year now, and I love them. They're pigmented, they're amazing. It's so cool how much the brand founder can get out of the ingredients she uses. We're really excited to use it today. I'm gonna kind of guide us along because I'm more familiar with these products, show you how I use them to the best of their ability. And yeah, we're just gonna delve into like a full-on face with everything.
I can't wait.
Yeah, you've used it a couple times before,
I've used the foundation, and I really loved it.
We're gonna go in first with the Inner Sanctum. This is the serum priming potion, and so it's specifically formulated to work well with the foundation. I think I usually just use one pump personally, so.
Okay. And you just use your fingies?
Yeah. A lot of the products, they're really you can use them with your fingers quite easily. Smells delicious.
Oh my God. I love the smell.
Whenever I prime, of course, my face gets so red.
Me too. My face is always red.
Yeah.
I'm a sanguine.
All right. Usually let that absorb a little bit, like a moisturizer before going in with the foundation. Okay, for the foundation, this is the Earthen Adaptogen Skin Tint. I'd say it's generally a medium coverage. Like some skin tints are super light, barely noticeable, but this one you actually get some really great coverage. I have the shade Sycamore Lore, and I believe you have Elm Enchantment. So how I like to use this product, I like to go in with my finger and kind of dot it around. Just little dots like this.
Okay.
Boop, boop, boop.
And then do you use a brush or a sponge?
Yeah, I like to use a brush. I always like to use a brush. And just spread it out. You could so easily just use your fingers for the whole thing, but I find the product's pretty compatible with a brush. I'm gonna do 2 layers.
2 layers. I feel like me too.
My skin is just so red today, and I'm not having it. Red. I don't know. Is it the summer? Is it the
last night? But I must have been.
I don't know.
Good slapping fun.
Yeah. So yeah, it's buildable, which I like. Always good thing.
Isn't everything buildable or no?
Some products don't lend themselves to buildability.
I'm gonna be interested to know, because we're gonna be using they're all kind of creamy, right?
Yeah.
Putting on the bronzer, peel this off, or do you know?
Well, I feel like they just work really well together. Usually, in general, I always like to do a little blotting motion with everything, you know?
Oh, true.
To not disturb the foundation with any foundation I use. Okay, this is looking good. It's very glowy.
Which I like, because I was telling you the other day, I came home, I had the best dinner out with one of my friends. And I came home, I had a beautiful makeup job on.
Yeah.
And I had red lipstick and just gorgeous. But when I came home, I looked like crap. I was all parched.
Oh God. I was saying maybe she just needs some more water, and she's like, I don't believe in water.
Well, I believe in water, but what's water? How's water gonna help you?
Hydration.
Not from within.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
That's a really good shade match for you. Okay. So,
I love this foundation. I actually love it.
Yeah. It's really perfect medium coverage. Totally.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Okay, so we're going to go in next with the bronzers. These are both from the Dewy Fawn formula. This is the bronzer / contour in the shade light to medium, so it has a little bit more of a cool tone to it. And you have the bronzer in the shade fair to light. So this is more warm. And then this one has a little bit more cool tone, which I like in a bronzer. I like it to be not too warm. So I just go in straight to the pot with my brush and just go in like that.
Really?
Yeah. How else would you do it? With your finger? You could use your finger.
I think I'm going
You
to try
always
my
use your
finger first. Okay. Okay. I like this. Yeah.
It's very blendable. Everything's super blendable on top of each other.
I am going to put the placement with my finger. Very, very dewy.
It's like all the high points, flesh out the features, dab, 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 dab. Okay, so blush, my favorite part. Her products are so pigmented. I have, in the Color Magic formula, Twilight in the Briars. It's like it's just like a beautiful, deep tone, which I love. And then you have, this is the Blush and Bronze in Flower Inferno. A little bit more neutral, lighter.
How did I read Dragon's Blood?
Because it will often, she also lists like the main ingredients that are in this. Rose, hibiscus, and dragon's blood. Coral rose.
Dragon's
blood, you know, is like isn't it like a resin, like a tree resin?
I did not know that.
Not like a dragon. A dragon's blood, she slays dragons.
I didn't know. Okay.
Yeah. For example, the bronzer says reishi, violet leaf, and marshmallow. And not marshmallow like the kind that's candy, but like the plant.
But isn't marshmallow, doesn't it come from a plant or no?
Probably a marshmallow, like a root beer that was actually made from...
Root beer.
Wasn't that made from like a cool thing? I don't know.
Yeah, I did it like you did it. I just put it...
Yeah, that's how I like to do it.
I think I did too much.
I did too much. It's very pigmented, which is
It's
amazing.
shockingly pigmented.
Like
but should we just leave it?
I'm going to buff mine out as I usually do in general, like with my foundation.
Okay, me too.
It's always the best thing to do.
That's what I do all the time. All the time. And it works out beautifully. Oh, I love this. Yes.
Very pretty.
Mm-hmm.
I'm at a point where I'm just going to go in with a little bit of powder in the center of my face before I think about like where I'm going to want to highlight. I don't know if you feel the need to powder, but you're looking nice and hydrated.
Oh,
like you drank some water. Just like the center.
I do drink water. In the form of Diet Coke. No, joking.
I heard aspartame is like going to be listed as a carcinogen now, like on labels or something.
Why?
Well, because it's a carcinogenic.
Why?
Aspartame?
Why?
Definitely carcinogenic. Haven't they been saying that forever?
No, I didn't know. I thought they got dispelled that rumor.
Okay, I'm going to go in with my highlighter now. This is, again, part of the Dewy Fawn formula. This is the Reishi Violet Leaf Marshmallow Highlighter in the shade Fair Light. Very neutral, almost like cool-toned icy.
What's my highlighter?
You have the bluey one in Moon Chariot, the Lunar Illuminator. So that one has like a little bit of a blue tint. Because you're going to do a bit of violet on your eyes.
I am.
Which is really pretty. I just use this with fingers. It's like one of the most natural highlights. Doesn't look like sparkles, you know?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, it's nice.
I feel like it's looking really good on your skin type. Like, you know, it's not like settling, nothing's settling into fine lines or anything. What do you feel?
Fine lines? What fine lines?
No fine lines, no fine lines. I'm getting fine lines. I was saying right here, like from smiling, which is a good thing to have.
Oh, yeah.
They're like staying there, you know?
This is very good for me. I'm loving this product.
Yes, we've got like our full complexion. Gonna do a little bit of eye stuff. I think I'm gonna use my bronzer on my eyelids a little bit and then go in with like this cutest little eyeliner on planet Earth. Look at it. It's like made out of
It's a baby pudgy thingy.
So cute.
Oh.
It's like a deep purple too.
Oh, I love it. It's carved out of wood.
Yeah, so
like
cool.
your dad made it.
Yeah. And then you have, this is the Color Magic in Daydreaming in the meadow. So it's like a pale lilac. Very pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Wonder if you could use that on your cheeks. I mean, you could, but don't.
Why?
It look weird. Okay.
Lilac blush is like the hottest thing.
Is it?
Yeah.
So I'm just using a brush to just get a bit of the bronzer here.
I'm just using my fingers. Is this a little wash of lilac? I love it.
Yeah. So I'm going to go in with the liner and just like kind of smudge it here.
I'm going to take that liner. I'm going to use a little brush and I need more definition.
Yeah.
And I'm going to take some of it on a brush when you're done.
Here. I'm going to, I put it on kind of messily. So I'll just go in with a brush and smudge it a little more.
Just taking it onto a stiff small brush, just a tiny bit. This is definitely makeup to wear going camping.
Yeah. I have brought this stuff camping before. I feel less like I'm wearing makeup, but I'm just wearing berries on my face. For my lips, I'm going to go in with the Color Magic in Inner Embers. This is similar to the cheek shade, but I think just a little bit brighter. And you're going to be going in with the Pollinate Color Magic, which is like a classic sort of magenta-y pink. I just go in with my fingers.
Yeah, I'm going to use a brush.
That's a really nice deep red. Actually, yeah, I think I have used a brush before as well to kind of get it to the edges like a lip liner. So pigmented though. Let us put some mascara on so that you can see how the finished look all came together. Okay, here are the finished looks. I feel like with lashes, it really brings everything together. So pigmented, so creamy, so beautiful.
Dewy, yeah.
Dewy. Now lastly, we have this Fire Priestess Illuminating Setting Spray, which has look, sparkles. You see that?
Sparkles.
Sparkles. So just shake it up. Give yourself a couple spritz. Smells really good. I think this has balsam fir and frankincense.
Ooh. Smells like booze.
This is the kind of setting spray I feel like would also be kind of nice before you put makeup on too, to really prep the skin.
Yeah, I've been doing that lately.
Yeah, doing a little spritz of something. Yeah. Okay, yeah, the hydrosol blend of balsam fir, lavender, frankincense, and neroli willow bark extract, radish root, hibiscus, glycerate, mica. Yes, okay. I feel hydrated, I feel dewy, I feel beautiful.
Brooke, you're a genius.
Yeah, thanks for making these amazing products. And what's great about them is that you can feel not nervous about what you're putting on your face at all. Whether that's something you care about or not, you definitely don't have to feel sketched out at all. The ingredients are the most natural, basic. So yeah, I think that's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Stay witchy, stay bitchy. Have a good week. Bye, witches.